ठीक है, ओके, जस्ट स्टार्ट. व्हाट इज कैंसर? इट इज derived from a Latin word cancrum, Greek carcinoma, and in Sanskrit carcitrum, meaning crab. ठीक है, the disease is so called because of swollen veins around the area look like a crab. इसमें क्या होता है? Uncontrolled proliferation of cell is known as cancer. Cancer is defined as disturbances of growth characterized by the excessive proliferation of cells without apparent relation to the physiological demands of the cancer organs involved. Now, cancer can be of different types. ठीक है? Now, one another term is tumor marker. What are tumor markers? Here, the last line is physiological demands of the organs involved. ठीक है? Now, what are tumor markers? ट्यूमर मार्कर्स क्या होते हैं? There are some advanced markers which are known as tumor markers who can detect the actual quantity of cancer कि कितना ज्यादा proliferation हो रहा है. ठीक है, like AFP, अल्फा फीटोप्रोटीन, ये आपका बहुत अच्छा ट्यूमर मार्कर है. ठीक है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंटीजन और CA एंटीजन, CA 125, कैंसर एंटीजन 19.9, ये सब आपके क्या होते हैं? ट्यूमर मार्कर्स होते हैं जो डिटेक्ट करते हैं आपकी बॉडी के अंदर कैंसर की क्वांटिटी एज मच कितनी है. ठीक है, इनकी सबकी एक पर्टिकुलर एक रेफरेंस रेंज होती है. ये टॉपिक हम कवर करेंगे कल. ट्यूमर मार्कर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, हर बार एग्जाम में आता ही आता है. ये अराउंड 5 या 8 मार्क्स का शॉर्ट नोट आता है. ठीक है, इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ डिजीज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय द अनकंट्रोल्ड सेल डिवीजन leading to the growth of abnormal tissue or tumor. Onco is a Greek word meaning tumor. अब जो uncontrolled disease होती है ये 2 टाइप्स की हो सकती है. कौन कौन सी हो सकती है? Benign and malignant. Benign क्या होता है? Okay, and what is malignant? Yes. Onco is a Greek word, it means tumor. Oncology is a branch जो डील करती है etiology, diagnosis, treatment, prevention of cancer, and oncologist who is preventing or treating onco patients. Okay? Biomedical importance, second most common cause of death in worldwide. सोचो कैंसर कितना ज्यादा mortality को cause कर रहा है. Human of all the ages affected, wide variety of organs, they all are affected. What are the etiology? All cancer are spontaneous and multifactorial in origin. They include genetic, hormonal, metabolic, physical, chemical, and environmental factors. All cancer cells originate from one aberrant cell which multiply continuously and they will form a tumor mass. एक cell है, they will continuously proliferate. After that, what it will do? It will form a mass. In India, most common cancers are oral cavity and upper gastrointestinal tract in males, breast and cervical cancer. They are especially in females. What are mutagens? No. Mutagens are any substance which increases the rate of mutation can also enhance the rate of incidence of cancer. तुम कल भी लेट आई थी ना क्लास में? चलो बाहर जाओ अपने. Carcinogens are the substances that causes carcinoma or cancer. Therefore, all carcinogens are mutagens. Cancers are caused by the radiations, chemicals, substances, biological and environmental agents. Radiation energy, UV rays, X-rays or gamma rays, pyrimidine dicross linking and free radical generation. Chemical agents are, most of the cancer is caused by the chemical exposure can occur during occupation, from diet or from lifestyle also. These are the chemicals and these are the compounds which can cause cancer. They all are chemical causes. Mechanism of chemical carcinogens, proto-oncogenes, they will convert into proximate carcinogen. Where he is going? Okay. Procarcinogen, they will convert it into proximate carcinogen and ultimately they will convert it into carcinogen. Bind covalently with the macromolecules including RNA, DNA and proteins. Carcinogens are electrophiles deficient in electrons, readily attack nucleophilic group of DNA. Aflatoxin, they are the group of chemically related compounds synthesized by the fungi, Aspergillus flavus. The malt grows on rice, wheat and groundnut when they are kept in damp condition. What are damp condition? In moisture. Okay. Aflatoxins are powerful carcinogens which produce heptones. Cigarette is again an important cause of cancer. Lung cancer is associated with the habit of cigarette smoking. Now there are two type of cancer. दो तरह से smoking होती है. One is active and the another one is passive. What is the difference? There are three friends who are standing together. Two are smoking and one is not. Okay? Those two who are doing smoking, they are doing active, and one who is standing behind that who is doing passive smoking. Okay? So passive smoking, indirect smoking. If you are inhaling the smoke, that smoking is known as passive smoking. Cigarette contains many carcinogens, the most important group being benzopyrene. Other substances in cigarette smokes are nicotine, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and carbon soot. The incidence of lung cancer is increased to 15 times. Who is doing 10 sticks per day, and 40 times more who is doing 20 sticks per day. Passive smokers are 5 times more prone to lung cancer are compared to non-smokers. So जो smoke कर रहा है उसके बराबर में खड़े भी नहीं होना है. ठीक है? You are standing, it means you are doing smoking. WHO का स्लोगन क्या कहता है? Cigarette smoke is injurious to health. ये सब तो आपने टीवी पे देखा ही है. The another International Union Against Cancer, UICC, is saying your smoking is injurious to your health. Sorry, our health. If you are doing, then of course your. Okay. Anti-mutagens. Now there are some anti-mutagens which we are taking throughout our diet. These are the substances which will interfere the tumor promotion. Vitamin A or carotenoids reverse pancreas conditions. Vitamin E ये क्या करता है? As a antioxidant work करता है. Vitamin C again as a antioxidant, and they are the production of new cancer cases in persons working with aniline. जो हमने occupational वाला वो देखा था. Tuber, beans and leafy vegetables, curcumin, flavonoids, phenolic compounds and green tea. ये phenolic compounds, there are some vegetables, they are containing phenol group in their chemical structure. तो उन्हें हम किससे डिनोट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Phenolic compounds से. Now what are oncogenic viruses? Viruses which cause cancer are known as oncogenic virus. अब oncogenic virus पे भी short note आ जाता है कई बार. ठीक है? यहाँ पे हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? Burkitt syndrome के बारे में. Oncogene virus contain either DNA and RNA as a genome. They are integrated their genes into the host DNA and take over the entire regulatory mechanism of the host cell. आप लोगों ने 12th में एक टॉपिक पढ़ा होगा recombinant DNA टेक्नोलॉजी. ठीक है? उसमें क्या होता है? हम क्या करते हैं? हमारा डिजायर्ड डीएनए लेते हैं, होस्ट सेल सेलेक्ट करते हैं, डीएनए इंसर्ट करते हैं और हमें क्या मिलते हैं? हमारी इच्छा के अनुसार जो जीनोम्स होते हैं, वी विल एक्सट्रैक्ट दैट. इज इट क्लियर? लाइक दैट द होस्ट सेल विल प्रोड्यूस वायरल जीनोम इंस्टेड ऑफ द host genome. These leads uncontrolled multiplication of the host cell known as transformed cells. Rouse demonstrate that the sarcoma in avians can be transferred from the one animal to the another by injecting the soluble fractions. Gross finally proved that the viruses could be oncogenic. The viruses which are involved, they can be oncogenic, and Burkitt is a type of lymphoma seen mainly in African children. What is lymphoma? What is lymphoma? Cancer related to lymph nodes, right, is known as lymphoma. Epidemiology suggested that a strong possibility for a transmitting agent for the Burkitt lymphoma. It is denoted as a BL also. Later it was proven that the disease is caused by a virus named Epstein-Barr virus. अब ये जो हमारा बर्केट सिंड्रोम है उन्होंने लास्ट में डिफाइन किया, द वायरस विच कैन कॉज बर्केट सिंड्रोम इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द एप्स्टेन-बार वायरस. अब एप्स्टेन-बार वायरस, इसके भी 3 स्टेप्स हैं, 3 इवेंट्स के अंदर ये होता है. इन फर्स्ट स्टेप B lymphocytes are infected by the Epstein-Barr virus EBV, and in second chromosomal translocation will happen. It occurs chromosome 8 to 14, 8 to 2 and 8 to 22. अब ये जो आपका 14 है ये क्या है आपका 14, 2 and 22. इनमें से 2 और 22 जो है वो लाइट चेन के अंदर इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं क्रोमोसोम्स में, और ये जो आपका 14 है इट विल प्रेजेंट ऑन अ हैवी चेन. ठीक है, आपने स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा होगा, वाई शेप्ड होता है. ठीक है, इसके अंदर 2 चेन्स होती हैं, हैवी चेन्स एंड लाइट चेन्स. 2 and 22 they are present on light chains. कप्पा एंड लैम्डा, 2 is on कप्पा and 22 is on लैम्डा. और जो आपका 14 होता है they will present on heavy genes of immunoglobulin. ठीक है, transposition of C myosin of chromosomes 8 to B lymphocytes, and last step is the activation of C oncogene leads to the malignancy. This is a Burkitt's lymphoma chromosomal translocation. यहाँ आप देखेंगे जो आपका 8 नंबर का क्रोमोसोम है ये यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, ब्रेक हो रहा है. M/C जीन जो है वो यहाँ पर अटैच हो रहा है किससे, 14 नंबर का जो क्रोमोसोम है इट विल ब्रेक एंड इट विल again bind to the chromosome number 8. Heavy chains of immunoglobulin and genes for heavy chains. जो मैंने आपको बताया था 14 नंबर का जो क्रोमोसोम होता है वो कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है, हैवी चेन्स पे. तो यहाँ पर 14 नंबर हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. और जो आपका 2 होता है कप्पा चेन की लाइट पे, और जो आपका 22 होता है लैम्डा लाइट चेन. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. इन क्रॉनिक माइलॉइड ल्यूकेमिया Philadelphia chromosome is seen by the deletion of short arm of chromosome. अब जो भी जेनेटिक चेंजेस होंगे वो कई तरह के हो सकते हैं. There may be some deletion and there may be some addition. In Philadelphia chromosome यहाँ पे क्या होता है, डिलीशन होता है शॉर्ट आर्म का. कहाँ पे, क्रोमोसोम नंबर 22. ये जो टर्म्स हैं जो मैं यहाँ बता रही हूँ प्लीज नोट दैट. ठीक है, बर्केट सिंड्रोम आपको पता होना चाहिए, एबीवी वायरस आपको पता होना चाहिए, and what is Philadelphia chromosome. You should know कि बस क्रोमोसोम नंबर 22 पे ये होता है, और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, म्यूटेशन जो भी चेंजेस होंगे इट मीन्स इट इज डिलीशन. In another non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, translocation of chromosome 14 to 18 seen, activation of BCL2 oncogenes occur, which leads to suppression of apoptosis. Human papilloma virus HPV contains a circular double-stranded DNA. HPV type 16 and 18 are associated with uterine cervical cancer. क्या होता है ये, यहाँ पे हम डिनोट करेंगे. ठीक है, ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस है, होस्ट इंसर्शन होगा. जो फर्स्ट वाला डायग्राम है हमारा, सबसे पहले हम इसके बारे में देखेंगे. HPV infect one cell in the basal layer in human uterine cervical. You can see the all cells are normal. After few weeks when it will be affected, what will happen, within few weeks the HPV spread the most of the cells, it will replicate and the lesions are manifested. Some host cells will escape the ingestion, and in 99% cases the lesion subsides within 6 months to the 2 years. ये हम बात कर रहे हैं the middle one structure, and one it will lead to 10 to 30 years. What will happen? Cancer is prominently developed, and here malignant cells are shown to break the basal layer. The last structure जो यहाँ पर शो हो रहा है, see like this. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे इन्वेसिव है, ये जो मेम्ब्रेन है it will break, और ये जो cells हैं it will come outer side and it will spread to the another organs also. Is it clear? It is all because of HPV virus, human papilloma virus. Okay, now EBV वायरस, एब्रीविएशन क्या है इसका? EBV. The associate cancers are Burkitt's lymphoma and nasopharyngeal carcinoma. The second one is human papilloma virus, HPV, and it will cause uterine and cervical cancer. The third one is hepatitis B virus, denoted by the name HBV, and it will cause hepatoma. Hepatoma is all related to the liver. ठीक है? The cells which are present in liver are known as hepatic cells. You all are aware? Okay. Now oncogenes. Oncogenes are the genes. They are capable causing cancer. Now, Michael Bischoff and Harlotte Bomas demonstrate oncogene in Rous sarcoma virus. The same sequence are also present in humans and cellular oncogenes designed by the C and V. ठीक है? सार्कोमा आपका क्या है? SRC, जो इसका प्रीफिक्स है C है, और जो oncogenes हैं they will be denoted by the name V. Normal cells do contain DNA sequence similar to the viral oncogenes. जैसे viral genes में क्या हो रहा था, आपने क्या पढ़ा? There are some addition and there are some deletions. The oncogenes present in normal cells, they are present in proto-oncogenes. It means proto-oncogenes, they are already presented in our body, but they are in inactivated form. When genes will attack, they will be activated and they will convert it to a oncogenes. Oncogenes are activated form and now they can lead or they can cause cancer. What are the factors affected oncogenes? Various mechanisms has been described. Promoter insertion, enhancer insertion, chromosomal translocation, gene amplification, point mutation, effect of oncogene on growth, and the last one is tumor suppressor genes. These are the all factors who affect oncogenes. Now, this is a proto-oncogene. ठीक है? It has normal protein, normal quantity, and it will have a normal function. It can lead to a 3 parts. The first one is deletion. Here you can see, यहाँ deletion हो रहा है. It means there are some parts which can be deleted or it can be removed. Now in deletion, ये टर्निकेटेड प्रोटीन विच लॉस ऑफ फंक्शन, अगर डिलीशन होगा तो जो प्रोटीन का जो नॉर्मल फंक्शन होगा इट कैन बी अ हिंडर, प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग नहीं होगी. द सेकेंड वन इज ट्रांसलोकेशन ऑफ अनदर प्रोटीन. दूसरा प्रोटीन आ रहा है, इसके अंदर ट्रांसलोकेट हो रहा है. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? ट्रांसलोकेशन, कोडिंग रीजन्स एंड फ्यूजन टू द प्रेजेंट पोजिशन. ये क्या होगा आपका? रेट्रोवायरस इंसर्शन एंड एक्टिवेशन, and it will lead to synthesis of a fusion protein with loss of regulation. The third one is regulatory sequence translocated from other side. यहाँ पे अपन क्या बात कर रहे थे? Same side पे translocate हो रहा है, but in third condition from the another side it will be a translocated. What will happen here? It will increase synthesis of normal protein. जितना normal protein का synthesis होना चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Then again here increased and here deletion. It means normal functioning will not be happen here. Is it clear? So proto-oncogenes, they will convert it to a oncogenes. Now they all are mutated and they can cause cancer. Proto-oncogenes are regulatory genes. Production of many oncogenes are polypeptide growth factors. अब growth factors होते हैं बहुत सारे, इनके नाम आपको रटने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है? Cisgene produced platelet derived growth factor, जिसे हम डिनोट करते हैं PDGF से, and there are some another who are related to epithelial. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Epithelial growth factor, denoted by the name EGF. Now, what are these? Unified concept of carcinogenesis. Factors activated oncogenes, V virus chemical carcinogens, chromosome translocation, gamma rays spontaneous mutations like ionized radiation, chromosome translocation, and chemical carcinogens. These all are the etiology for the cancer. Oncogenic virus, spontaneous mutation, oncogenes will be activated or deletion of oncosuppressor gene, and malignant transformation can seen here. Okay, so they are the causing factors. then oncogenes activated and they will cause malignant transformation. These are the cellular oncogenes. ये सब आपको टेबल फॉर्म में मैं दिखा रही हूं. इसके बाद में ऑन्कोसप्रेसर जीन्स एंड एंटी ऑन्कोजीन्स. नाउ जीन्स विच प्रिवेंट्स द कॉजेशन ऑफ कैंसर. अभी हमने बात करी ऑन्कोजीन्स क्या होते हैं, विच कैन कॉज कैंसर. एंटी ऑन्कोजीन्स क्या हो जाएंगे, ऑब्वियसली एंटी इट मीन्स ऑन्कोजीन्स तो उसे कॉज कर रहे हैं. हु कैन प्रिवेंट कैंसर आर नोन एज एंटी ऑन्कोजीन्स. The sometimes called as recessive oncogenes or anti-oncogenes. When gene is deleted or mutated, it will lead to cancer. Anti-oncogenes are written in capital letters, where oncogenes are written in small letters. Example of tumor markers, they are P53. ये P53 सबने पढ़ा होगा, ठीक है. P53 is a very important anti-oncogene. अगर आपका क्वेश्चन आ रहा है anti-oncogene और अगर आपने P53 के बारे में नहीं एक्सप्लेन किया है, इट मीन्स आपको 2 या 3 नंबर मिलेंगे शॉर्ट नोट के अंदर. बट अगर आपने P53 को बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है तो यू विल गेट आउट ऑफ 5 4 मार्क्स, ठीक है. RB genes and BRCA genes. These are the oncogenes and they are the tumor suppressor genes. Okay, can we see the difference? Oncogenes mutation is one of the allele is sufficient. But in tumor suppressor gene, mutation in both the alleles are required. The second difference is gain of function of a protein that signals cell division and loss of function of a protein. अब यहाँ पे जो भी चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, ऑब्वियसली अगर कोई चेंज हो रहे हैं तो सेल के अंदर डिफरेंस आ रहा है. तो इट मीन्स जो आपकी सेल साइकिल है नॉर्मल, सबने पढ़ी है S1 S G फेज, ठीक है. ये सब क्या होती है, they can be, there are some modification changes in cell cycle also. The third difference is mutation in somatic cells which is not inherited and mutation in germ cells which is inherited. Some tissues preferences and strong tissues preferences. They are the oncosuppressor genes. These are the all names. They are the abbreviation and here I am denoting chromosome number also. Now the cell cycle, there are some phases. G1 phase, cell growth, it will be normal. Normal cells का activation होगा. ये कहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे. ये आपके कौन सी फेज है, G1 फेज. ये जो आपका क्रोमोसोम है वो अनडुप्लीकेटेड है, ठीक है. अब क्या होगा, सिंथेसिस ऑफ DNA will occur here. Which phase? In a S phase and chromosome will be duplicated and it will goes to the G2 phase. अब जो सबसे ज्यादा ब्लंडर्स होते हैं वो कहाँ होते हैं, एम फेज के अंदर. जो एम फेज है यहाँ पे होती है सेल का डिवीजन, ठीक है. माइटोसिस डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस विल अकर हेयर एंड साइटोकाइन्स डिवीजन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म विल अकर हेयर. तो द डुप्लीकेशन and the replication will occur here only and this phase time will be increased in cancerous conditions. Now P53 gene, please note this, this is very important. Gene is located on the chromosome number 17, ठीक है. P53 53 के ब्रैकेट में हमेशा 17 आप कई जगह लिखा हुआ देखेंगे. P53 जीन कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता है, क्रोमोसोम नंबर 17 पे. इनकोड्स अ न्यूक्लियर फॉस्फोप्रोटीन with the molecular weight of 53,000 Dalton and it will form by the 375 amino acids. It binds to a specific DNA sequence. It blocks the cell division of cells with damaged DNA until it gets repaired. It acts as a transcriptional regulator and it also suppresses the transformation of oncogenes and cell proliferation. सबने नोट कर लिया? Okay, so here if DNA is damaged and chromosome abnormality in seen here, what P53 will do? It will do cell cycle arrested, DNA repair and cell cycle it will restart again. Or in the another term, how it will work, from apoptosis, death and elimination of the damaged cells and regular cellular and genetic stability will be seen here. So P53 is very important. It will work as a two form like cell cycle and apoptosis. Cell cycle में क्या होगा, cell cycle stop करेगा, DNA का रिपेयर होगा और वापस से cell cycle start हो जाएगी. अनदर वे, जो भी सेल्स डैमेज है सीधे सीधे अपोप्टोसिस होगा, डैमेज सेल्स रिमूव होंगी और इट विल गेट बैक टू नॉर्मल। इज इट क्लियर? ओके। Mutation in p53 genes are the most common genetic alteration in cancer and the frequent colon, breast and lung cancer. RB genes, genes located in chromosome number 13 and 14. RB gene encodes protein molecular weight of 1,05,000. That's why हम इसे क्या कहते हैं? P105. ठीक है? PRB binds certain viral proteins and they will form a inactive complexes. PRB binds to the certain transcriptional factors. They activate in S phase, thus Wallingfors cycle. Familial retiblastoma occurs an identical mutation in both alleles, and the last one is BRCA gene. अब हमने यहाँ पर 3 पढ़े हैं, P53 RB gene and the last one is BRCA gene. Mutation of BRCA gene leads to breast and ovarian cancer. What are the growth factors? Growth factors causes mitosis and differentiation of the target cells. Growth factor act as a local hormone. Oncogenes acts through growth factor production. Now, platelet-derived growth factors PDGF and epithelial growth factors EGF. They are the name of some growth factors. These are the sources and the functions of growth factors. Now, biochemical changes during cancer. Altered gene regulation, increased DNA synthesis, increased RNA synthesis, and again increased protein synthesis. Anabolism, growth factors and hormones, increased aerobic and anaerobic glycolysis, synthesis of lactic acid and lactic acidosis, alteration of cell surface due changes in composition of glycoprotein and glycosphingolipids. बायोकेमिकल मैकेनिज्म, अब यहाँ पे कुछ टर्म्स हैं, इन्हें सिर्फ मैंने डिफाइन किया है. यू शुड नो अबाउट दिस टर्म्स. व्हाट इज दिस मीनिंग? ट्यूमर काइनेटिक्स, इट मीन्स in normal tissues only 1% cells are dividing phase, but in cancer 2 to 5% cells are in dividing phase. Is it clear? Normal में only 1% होता है और कैंसर में it will increase 2 to 5% depending on the condition of cancer. The second one is doubling time. What is doubling time? It is a time taken by a tumor to become exactly double of a mass. Cells होती हैं, cells का proliferation होगा, proliferation के बाद में mass में convert होगा. तो cells क्या हो रहा है? ये जो time है, this time is known as doubling time and it varies from 10 days to 450 days. Malignant transformation, normal cells undergoes transformation to form cancer. Therefore, its change is alignment of cells as well as morphology of the cells. Contact inhibition is what? In case of injury cells, it will be multiply. ठीक है? There is a stoppage multiplication when the cells become in contact. This is known as contact inhibition, and this property is lost in case of cancer. Then sialic acid and sialylation. Due to high concentration of N-acetyl neuramic acid (NANA), cancer cells carry more negative surface charges as compared to a normal cells. There is also alteration in sialylation of surface glycoproteins or glycolipids. Metastasis and secondaries, collagens and stratomycin released from cancer cells, they are responsible for penetration of cancer and into the surrounding area. Cancer cells are immortal. ये हम सबको पता है. If once cancer will develop, the cancer cell will never immortal. It is due to increase and continuation activation of telomerase enzyme. अब ये क्वेश्चन आता है आपके MCQs में, ठीक है? Telomerase enzyme जो है, due to this, cancer cells can never die. Apoptosis, what is apoptosis? Normally the number of new cells are equal to the dead, and it is apoptosis mediated genes. Example, P53, RB and CFOS. Apoptosis protecting gene BCL2, it will lead to again a cancer condition. The last is tumor immunology. What is tumor immunology? When the tumor cells are present in body, then immunological reaction against cancer is seen. Immune system recognize specific antigens, destroy cancer cells, and they can carry some antigens. It will lead to a stop abnormal growth. Immunocells that are activated, T cells, NK cells, and macrophages. If immunological surveillance fails, cancer cell will grow. Oncofetal antigens. During the fetal life, a particular gene is active and the product of protein is therefore seen in the cell. During the differentiation process, this gene is suppressed and there is a protein is seen in adult class. Okay, there is one term, Wilms tumor. WILMS, Wilms tumor. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? नाम सुना है? कौन सी डिजीज है ये? Okay, this is a clinically important. I am saying that the kidney cancer that is present in children, ठीक है? The renal cancer that is present in children is termed as Wilms cancer, ठीक है? However, along with the malignant transformation, de-differentiation occurs, the gene is depressed and the protein is again available in the cell. Such producers are classified on oncofetal protein, and the best examples of tumor markers are AFP, alpha fetoprotein, and carcinoembryonic antigen CEA and colon cancer. अब ये जो AFP है, CEA, they all are specific for some particular cancers. इनके बारे में हम लोग कल describe करेंगे. They generally serves as a tumor marker. Now, what is oncofetal antigen? This is a embryonic cell. Embryonic antigen expressed and functional gene is present here. In normal adult cell, gene is repressed, antigen is not expressed. But in malignant cells, gene de-repressed, and what in de-repressed? The embryonic antigen re-expressed and tumor antigen will develop here. So this is all about the biochemistry of cancer. ठीक है?